All right, here's a demonstration on how to log into a computer using the NTR Connect, NTR Global, and you can see the website on top, or if you did a search, NTR Global free cloud, you'll find the login, but the login is ntrglobal.net/free cloud/login, and to the left here, right under where it has the bold free cloud login, is where you would put the email address and the password associated with the login. Right, there's two passwords that are used here. One is for the login and the other is for the computer that you're trying to control. Once the email and the password is in, you can then hit login. All right, it's saying it's used by another computer, and that's because Kim was on. I'm just going to override it. She knew I was coming in. At which point, it's going to bring me to this other screen. And up on the top where it lists assets, that's what they refer to the computers as. We actually, on this login, have two computers associated with this login. All right, one is Kim's computer and the other is a laptop that we use. Now, if I click on Kim's computer, it does say online. There's one online. That's her computer. And at this point, what I want to do is hit the remote control. And when I hit the remote control, there is another password that is associated with the NTR. And this is the one that is the password for this computer. Now, once you put the password in, actually, below, you'll see you have three choices. Observer only. And the second choice, control remote computer. And the third choice with the remote desktop, you would not want to use that. But the first two choices, if the difference between these two is if you just wanted to watch somebody, see what they're doing, and didn't want to use the mouse and take control of the computer, you would use the observer mode. And the advantage of that is that if you were moving your mouse, you would not interfere with whoever was controlling the remote computer. But if you wanted to demonstrate for that person or wanted to control the computer completely yourself, you would then choose the control remote computer. We actually use this one all the time, and we just be careful that if somebody else has control of the mouse, we just take our mouse and put it somewhere else on our screen so it doesn't interfere. Okay, at this point, I'm going to hit launch. It's going to verify the password. In a few moments, we're going to see the screen of the remote computer. There we go. Here's the screen of the remote computer. Let me make it bigger over here. I'm going to actually adjust the colors. Well, that's 256. That's probably as good as we're going to get with this. If you came in on 16-bit, it would look strange. We're going to go back to 256. Probably as good as we'll get with this. Sometimes you have to move this bar to see the bottom of this computer, and the difference there is the difference in the screen size based on what the color settings are. But what you do here, you hit start. You can run any program just like you were there sitting in front of it. When you are done, if you're using this computer yourself and you wanted to shut the remote computer off, you can hit your start and turn computer off this way. Or you can just exit out, leaving the remote computer on, and then you could go back in if you wish to. And what I'm going to do is just exit out, and it will exit me out of NTR, and that's it. It's as simple as that.